cast iron, aluminum, or
Babe, look. Why? Babe.
Get to tablespoons of that butter. Sweet, sweet, creamy
Okay,
butter.
everybody just be cool,
Substitute. Get your 2 large eggs. Get your fancy.
Hi!
Hey, how have you been?
Awesome. Welcome to New York.
Thank you. I'm so psyched. I don't even know what I'm gonna.
Jam and jelly, jam and jelly, jam and jelly.
I'm sorry. Is WG slow jamming about jelly?
Yes. It's a long story. Hey, let's go sit.
Everything good takes time.
Oh,
After 50
here they come.
Take a toothpick.
Hey! It's good. How you guys? Did that cream work for you? Oh, it did. Did it really?
Hi, how are you?
Henry. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'll be back in just a second.
Yeah,
Is that cool?
sure. Whatever. Do your thing, man. Totally, go for it. Hey, will you guys please go sit over there so Henry and I can have this table to ourselves? Yeah, of course.
Things come to those who wait.
Oh my God, Kenzie, I swear this might be the most exciting night of my life.
Wait, hey, who's?
Yeah, so this is where they make the games and stuff.
I don't know.
Hey! Yo, you're back! So, Valerie, these are my friends, the Game Shakers. That's Babe, Kenzie, Trip, and Hudson.
Hey.
Hi.
And guys, this is Valerie.
Hi. Valerie?
The girl I came to see this weekend.
Enjoy the pie. Love, Grandma. It's time to get this jelly and jam pie mix into that oven.
Oh yeah, I love this genre. Mm.